That fluffy cloud drifting above you weighs as much as 100 elephants. A single average cloud holds about 1,000,000 pounds of water. It floats. Why? The water is spread into tiny droplets. Each droplet is so small it falls incredibly slowly, and warm air pushing up beneath holds them aloft. So 1,000,000 pounds hangs over your head quietly. You feel none of it. Next time you look up, remember that weight. It's an ocean hiding in plain sight. Raindrops are not shaped like teardrops. Not even close. That pointy teardrop shape is a total myth. A small raindrop is actually a perfect sphere. A bigger one flattens into a hamburger bun shape. Air pushing up against the falling drop squashes its bottom. If it grows too big, it splits in two. So the rain landing on your face is round. Every drop reshaped by the very air it falls through. You can smell rain before it arrives. That fresh scent has a name. It's called petrichor. When raindrops hit dry soil, they launch tiny bubbles. Those bubbles fling oils and bacteria into the air. You breathe them in, and your brain calls it rain. Humans are astonishingly sensitive to this smell. More sensitive than sharks are to blood. So that feeling that rain is coming, your nose is often right. Lightning is 5 times hotter than the sun's surface. A single bolt reaches around 30,000 degrees Celsius. The sun's surface is only about 5,500. That superheated air expands faster than sound. That explosive expansion is the thunder you hear. So thunder is just air recoiling from heat. And you can time the storm yourself. Count seconds between flash and boom. Every 5 seconds means 1 mile away. Your own body becomes a weather instrument. A bolt of lightning is thinner than your thumb. That blinding streak looks enormous. But the actual channel is only a few centimeters wide. What you see is the glowing air around it. And lightning strikes Earth about 8 million times a day. That's roughly 100 strikes every single second. Right now, somewhere the sky is cracking open, all while you sit here perfectly calm. Snowflakes are never truly white. Snow itself is actually clear and colorless. Each flake is transparent ice. But the flakes have countless tiny surfaces. Those surfaces scatter all colors of light equally. Your eyes read that even scatter is white. Pile up billions of clear flakes, and you get a white blanket. And no two flakes fall exactly alike. Each one forms its own path through the clouds. The snow on your glove is truly one of a kind. The sky is falling on you right now. The atmosphere presses down with real force. About 14.7 pounds per square inch. That means tons of air push on your body constantly. So why don't you feel crushed? Your body pushes back with equal pressure from inside. You're perfectly balanced, inside and out. But climb a mountain fast and your ears pop. That's the pressure shifting faster than your body adjusts. You're living at the bottom of an ocean of air. Clouds can drift faster than a race car. High-altitude clouds ride the jet stream. That's a river of wind circling the planet. It can blow over 250 miles per hour. That's why flights heading east arrive early. The plane surfs that same rushing air. So the wispy clouds you see up high, they might be moving faster than any car on Earth. Silent, distant, and racing. A hurricane releases more energy than all our power plants. In a single day, a big storm unleashes staggering power. It equals about 200 times the world's total electricity. That energy comes from warm ocean water evaporating. As it rises and condenses, it dumps heat into the storm. That's the fuel. So a hurricane is really the ocean breathing out, turning warm water into wind on a planetary scale. The Sahara Desert feeds the Amazon rainforest. Every year, wind carries Saharan dust across the Atlantic. Millions of tons of it. That dust is packed with phosphorus. And phosphorus is the fertilizer the Amazon craves. So the greenest place on Earth is fed by the driest. One weather system on one continent nourishes another. The wind ties the whole planet together. Rainbows are actually full circles. You only ever see the bottom half. The ground cuts off the rest. But every rainbow is a complete ring of light. Climb high enough in a plane, and you can spot the whole circle. And here's the strange part. No two people see the same rainbow. It forms from light bouncing at your exact angle. So the rainbow you see is uniquely yours. Step sideways, and it shifts with you. Goosebumps are your body reading the weather. When cold air hits your skin, tiny muscles pull. Each hair stands upright. In furry animals, that traps warm air for insulation. You lost most of your fur, but kept the reflex. So a chilly breeze still raises those little bumps. It's an ancient response, firing on modern skin. Your body still thinks it has a coat to fluff. The weather touches you in ways older than words. High in the sky, ice crystals paint halos around the sun. Those faint rings mean high clouds full of ice. And old sailors used them to predict rain. A ring around the sun or moon often means a storm is coming. So the sky has always whispered its plans. You just have to learn to look up. If this made you see the clouds differently, subscribe to BetterNight and keep looking up with us.